Oh well. Dear students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to discuss about use case diagram in UML. So what is meant by use case or what is meant by use case diagram? So a use case is nothing but it is the collection of actions which defines the interaction between a role, or we can call it as actor or user, and the system. Graphically, it is represented as a solid ellipse, or we can call it as oval. So that the name is written inside the ellipse. So purpose of using use case diagram. So in real time, we can able to understand the system, how the user is going to interact with the system. By looking into that diagram, we can able to understand the user interface. So the graphical representation of use case is nothing but here use case which is represented as oval, where we are going to write the use case name, that is action that the user is going to perform on it. On it in the sense on the system. Now we will see some examples so that we can understand easily. See here, I have taken one example on grocery code system. Here the user or the actor, the role is nothing but customer. Here assume that it is nothing but admin side. So he is going to order any item. So he can add item to the cart. Suppose if he do not like that item, he should able to remove that item from the cart. He can view the cart. He can check out the products. These are the four actions that are performed by the customer. So whereas coming to admin side, so after adding or after removing, so he should able to the admin should able to calculate the total price. He should able to process the payment, and he should confirm the product. So in this way we can define the system between the users and the users that are performing number of actions on the system. So this is one example. Now we will see another example. So it is based on the restaurant. So here the actors are waiter, chef, and customer. So the customer can place the order, and after order the waiter can take the order, and this is one action cook, and after cooking he is going to the waiter is going to serve the order to the customer. So here the number of people are involved in the system is three members. Those are called waiter, chef, and customer. We'll see another example. So online ticket booking system. It may be any travel agency or it may be movie booking ticket. Assume that there are two users, two actors here, user and admin. So what are the actions performed by the user is nothing but he can search for events. It may be any ticket, travel ticket, or we can assume that any movie ticket. He can search for the event, he can select the event, and he can select the seats, and he can enter personal details in order to book the ticket. So the admin role is here. He can update the event information, he can add a new event, he can delete event. So these are the operations performed on the system. So by looking into this system, we can able to understand how the system is going to interact with the system. So another example is on, and which system means video conferencing system. Here the actor is nothing but user. He can join the meeting, he can schedule meeting, he can start the meeting, he can end the meeting, he can share the screen to the other people, he can mute camera and microphone, he can record the meeting. So these are number of actions are performed by the user. So in this way we can define the use case diagram. So by looking into diagram we can able to understand the system how it is going to perform. Okay. Thank you.